A package. What did I get? Oh, looks a little crushed. Hopefully the product's okay. Oh, looks like my Wyze Smart Scale got here. Alright, time to see if this thing's junk or if it's good. So I got my trusty 511 package opening blade. Hey Google, turn on Hunter's light. So I ordered a Wyze Smart Scale for 30 bucks. Now I gotta see if it's any good. Well, the package looks okay. Got the seal here. Oh, came with batteries. A little quick booklet. Alright, so far everything looks okay. Looks like the product didn't get damaged. Glass looks fine. Nothing looks damaged on the back. Alright, that's the unboxing.